Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to learn about Amazon Web Services, or AWS. AWS is most popular cloud platform in the world. Millions of companies use AWS every day to run websites, mobile apps and business systems. In this video, I'll explain AWS in very simple way. You do not need any technical background, so relax and watch carefully. Let's start learning cloud computing step by step. First, let's understand what cloud computing means. Imagine you need a computer. Instead of buying one, you rent a computer using the internet. This rented computer is called cloud computing. In in old way, companies brought servers, kept them in the office, and paid the electricity and maintenance. In the cloud way, you use computer online only when you need them. You may pay only what you use. It is cheaper, faster, and easier. AWS is, is a cloud service provided by Amazon. Think of think of AWS is like a big shopping mall. Inside this mall, you can find computers, storage, databases, and security, and many more services. If you want to build a website, AWS has tools for that. If you want to store photos or videos, AWS has tools for that. You choose what you need and use it and pay only for that service. Now, let us look at some popular AWS services. EC2 is like renting a computer online. You use it to run website and applications. S3 storage. It is like a huge hardware drive in the cloud where you store files, images, and videos. RDS is a database. It stores data in the organized way like customer details or orders. Lambda runs on your code automatically without managing servers. So each service solves a different problem very easily. So AWS is popular because it's simple and powerful. You do not need to buy expensive hardware. You can start small and grow when needed. AWS is available all over the world. Secure a long secure security also very strong. Even banks and government trust AWS. This is why so many companies choose AWS. Let us compare the traditional servers and AWS cloud. In traditional method, setup takes a weeks or a month. You must buy a hardware and maintain yourself. With AWS, setups take just minutes. You click a few buttons and the system is ready. Scaling is so easy. Instead of buying a new machines, you simply increase the capacity online. This saves that saves the time, money, effort. Many big companies use AWS every day. Netflix uses AWS to stream movies. Spotify uses AWS to play music. Airbnb uses AWS to manage bookings. Even, even banks and hospitals and governments are use AWS. This shows how reliable and powerful AWS really is. The, the working of AWS is very simple. You build your application on your computer and upload into AWS using the internet. AWS run your application 24 hours a day. Users from anywhere in the world can access it. Your focus on your business. AWS take care of server security and maintenance. AWS has data center all around the world. These locations are called regions. Each region has multiple zones. Each region has multiple zones. This design keeps the application faster and reliable. If one data center fails, another one takes over. This is how AWS provide high availability and performance. AWS pricing works like an electricity bill. If you use more, you pay more. If you use less, you pay less. There is no fixed cost. You only pay what you actually use. Now, new users also get free trial to practice AWS without paying money. This makes AWS very beginner friendly. Security is one of the strongest feature of AWS. AWS use firewall, encryption, access control. Your data is protected at all levels. You can control who can access your resources. This is why AWS is trusted by banks, hospital, and government worldwide. So let us see a real-time example. Imagine you want to start a online store. You, you use EC2 to run your website. You use S3 to store product images. You use RDS to store customer orders. Within a few days, your business live. This shows that how AWS helped the business grow fast. Traffic on website changes all the time. On normal days, you need fewer services. On special days, you like sales, you need more servers. AWS automatically increase or decrease servers. This feature is called auto scaling. You never worry about the crashes or slow websites. AWS is useful for everyone. Students can learn cloud skills, business owner can reduce the cost, developer can build powerful application, even non-technical people can understand AWS basics. Cloud, six, cloud skills are very valuable in today's job market. Let us quickly summarize. AWS is a cloud platform by Amazon. It provides computer storage, database, and secure online. You pay only for what you use. You want to learn cloud computing, AWS is the best place to start. Thank you for watching.